Bitcoin EFT applications are piling up as the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) continues weighing its options. Wall Street's most powerful regulator has once again extended the timeline on making decisions as to whether or not it will approve Bitcoin exchange-traded funds (ETF). The Commission extended the deadlines on 4 applications by 45 days. The first decision on a proposed rule change that would allow the listing and trading of Bitcoin ETF has been put off till November. Global X Bitcoin Trust, Valkyrie XBTO Bitcoin Futures Fund, WisdomTree Bitcoin Trust, and Kryptoin Bitcoin ETF are the 4 Bitcoin ETFs awaiting the Commission's decision. The approval was rescheduled to November 21, December 8, December 11, and December 24, respectively. The Commission finds that it is appropriate to designate a longer period within which to take action on the proposed rule change so that it has sufficient time to consider the proposed rule change. On September 8, the SEC released a statement announcing that it was extending its decision to approve VanEck Bitcoin Trust by 60 days to November 14. On April 28, the SEC had said that its ruling on VanEck's filing would come in June at the earliest. This was just hours before a previous deadline. VanEck's filing launched the sprint by companies toward filing for Bitcoin ETF approvals. Reading how the SEC dodged into a hole by not approving a Bitcoin ETFIn June 16 release, the regulators said that they would take additional time to seek comments from the public. The SEC specifically asked investors for their opinions on Bitcoin ETFs. In early September, Fidelity Digital Assets met with the regulators privately to push for the approval of their proposed Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. They argued the cryptocurrency market is now big enough to support it. The investment firm's president, Tom Jessop, and other executives attended a virtual meeting with the regulator on September 8, according to a presentation that lays out the investor demand for the product. The securities regulator is currently considering applications from more than 20 companies. It is expected that the introduction of the first Bitcoin EFT by the SEC will raise the asset's technical indicators with the entry of traditional investors into the market.